everyone! Join me as I unbox another Pendour purchase. This one is from the Clothes Doctor. Here we go. And some plastic-free packaging there. That's really good to see. This wonderful card really helps to protect these products. A silk and delicates detergent. A knitwear mist. And an eco-liquid baby detergent, which was a free gift. Each product is packaged in a rather cool aluminium bottle. These are endlessly recyclable and are sleek and modern looking. They would make a great addition to any kitchen or laundry room shelf. Oh, that is a beautiful scent. Sandalwood and bergamot. It's light and sweet, but with some earthy tones too. I'm looking forward to washing my silks in this. Now the weather has been beautiful recently, so it's time to put my winter wardrobe away. This is my favourite jumper by Cezanne. It's made from cashmere, and I think that this lavender and thyme knitwear spray will give it a bit of an uplift before I pop it away. And that's gorgeous. It smells just like spring. The lavender and thyme in this knitwear spray are also very good natural moth repellents, so it should help to keep my favourite jumper safe, protected and fresh. I'm so pleased to have come across the Clothes Doctor, an independent London-based company fighting fast fashion. I will be reviewing the knitwear mist and the silk and delicates detergent on the Pendour website, so don't forget to check these out on the Pendour living section. Thank you so much for joining me today, but now I really should get on with my laundry the eco-friendly way.